What if I told you if you live in Los Angeles right now and you were ever subject to an ICE raid that you could get in on a class action lawsuit settlement called Kidd versus Mayorkas. In that case, Judge Otis Wright II determined and issued a preliminary injunction banning ICE from the practice of doing this thing called knock and talk, essentially where they come close to your home, your porch, your patio, around your house, and pretend to be something or someone else for the purposes of talking to you and violating your constitutional right, which requires them to get a judicial warrant, not administrative warrant, with your name signed on it before they can get into your home. That's right. It was determined to be unconstitutional, that practice, despite what MAGA might have told you, or you might have heard from Stephen Miller, Kristi Noem, who doesn't know the law, neither Pam Bondi, apparently, even though she's Attorney General, that even if you are in this country without status, you're entitled to the Fourth Amendment protection against unlawful search and seizure. That means going into your house and harassing without proper procedure. And also you're protected from the Fifth Amendment right for due process of self-incrimination and getting a lawyer irrespective of your status. Now, when ICE approach you, you can talk to them. You want to, you're supposed to, ICE or border. However, the minute they detain you until you can no longer go, that's the equivalent of being under arrest. But if you follow my account, my name is JJ Legal on social media. I'm helping people understand the lawsuits filed against the Trump administration. If you follow my account, I've told you repeatedly that immigration is a civil infraction. And if you violate it, you go to court, you present your documents. If they determine that you overstayed or you're not allowed to be in the country, you self-deport, you leave. You're not supposed to go to jail. Sometimes they detain people temporarily before they can actually deport them. That's detention. It's not criminal. So irrespective of what people say, it's a civil infraction. So because of that, it's a civil infraction. You're still entitled to due process no matter what. And unlike people who have visas overstay, when the government knows specifically that the person exceeded their limit of time of staying in the United States, there's no proof that they have that you walked across the border unlawfully unless they have a witness of someone who saw you walk across the border. So without that proof, they can't detain you and come after you because there's no basis for them coming and detain you other than your race, and that's just unlawful. A lot of people don't know about it, so share this video. And if you're not already following me, my name is JJ Legal. I want to make sure you're following me because I'm going to be giving you and bring you nuggets of information and insight like this, including a wrap-up that's coming later on today of the wins. I do a daily wins wrap-up. You can find some $1 Know Your Rights card on my website at jjlegal.com. I have a case tracker. I have legal templates that I sell. I have lots of different ways to help you navigate the Trump era and survive it. And you can also get my documents at outlasting47.com. All right. Hope that's helpful. Each one teach one. Share this video. Let's go.